I am Mini Toya, but everyone here on the shelf just calls me Toya because, we're all minis. Today is going to be a little different. We're going to introduce our 2022 models, aka the dolls on the shelf. Many of the dolls that will be featured on our thumbnails. And I know what you're thinking, Toya, you're the main model on the thumbnails. I know. But I went to admin and I was like, I know you play favorites, you love your mini, me, but let's give some of the other dolls a chance to shine. So here we are. What? Right here? You want me to have a seat right here? Hi, my name is Destiny. Sorry, what? You want me to repeat that? Oh, yeah, Destiny. I am Barbie Looks doll number 8, and I've been here for a few months now. I guess it was around the holidays when I came on board. I am a little worried, because my hair always sticks out, and I know people have been fired here for less. Would I fire somebody for their hair? Of course not. That would be insane. As long as it does what I want when I want it, we're good.
Hi, I'm Denise. I am a Barbie style doll number 2. This is my sister.
Hi, I'm Tanya, Barbie fashionista number 106, on the Made to Move mountain climber body. What was that? Yes, everyone has to be on a Made to Move body. Articulation is everything. If you're not fully articulated, don't even apply.
I was hired first, and I had done a few jobs already. And then when one girl got dismissed, I suggested Tanya, and then she came on board.
And I've done pretty good here. I've already been on a few thumbnails.
More like 1.5, because you were in the background of one of them.
And how many times have you been featured?
Getting on the thumbnail is a big deal. It's like being on the cover of a magazine. Hi, I am Kat Janeway, but everyone just calls me Kat. My parents were obsessed with Star Trek Voyager. Sorry, am I rambling? I am the Barbie signature Style by Chriselle Lim doll in the burgundy trench dress, and my body is the Barbie style doll number 3. And I was featured on the thumbnail for the college classroom video.
I'm Mikasa, Barbie fashionista number 177 on a BMR 1959 body. I've been here for a few months, and I've had a pretty good career so far. At first, I was a little worried that I wouldn't make the cut because I am a little pixelated, and in the past, that has been a total deal breaker, but not anymore. You just have to be Face App compatible, and it just totally clears up any pixelation or defects in the face paint. I've been featured on 5 thumbnails, so I'm not mad.
Why do I use Face App?
Well, because I can. Do I think it hurts the doll's self-esteem? Seriously? No, they're plastic.
Did she just call me plastic?
Am I worried about job security? I think everyone should be a little worried because there's always a new doll waiting to take your place.
I'm not worried at all because Toya is always getting fashion packs like this one. It comes with a pink mask with flowers on it, a yellow purse with silver painted details, a striped halter top that ties and velcros in the back, faux jean shorts that are totally loose on an original body, but fits me perfectly. That pack also comes with this dress. It's very colorful and has a ruffle at the top. The pattern continues all the way around and it velcros in the back. So, yeah, I'm not worried.
Kat, why are you out of uniform?
I'll be right back.
Hi, I'm Mira, Barbie fashionista number 182 on a Made to Move yoga body. I joined the crew the same time as Mikasa, and originally I was cast to be Mirabelle in the Encanto videos. But then last minute, Toya didn't want to cut my hair, so they went with someone else. And to be honest, I was kind of bummed about it, but I've been featured on 3 thumbnails, so it's not so bad. What's the deal with the uniforms? Oh, wow, okay, it's like a whole thing.
The uniforms are awesome. Think of them kind of like a varsity jacket.
Yeah, they're like really prestigious. If you have a uniform, that means no one is going to steal your clothes.
It totally sets you apart from all the other dolls because Toya takes everyone's clothes.
It's not theft. I bought them. They're my clothes.
She steals everybody's clothes.
The uniforms are great because everyone has one, so you don't have to worry. Hi, my name is August. I have been here for a while, but was only recently added to the shelf. And I'm glad too, because I was living in a box. But I'm the Ken career soccer player on the Made to Move body from the Ken Fashionista number 167. And I recently auditioned for a part for a look inspired by Mirabelle's dad. Come on, I got the hair.
I'll think about it.
Hi, I'm Donnie. I've been here for a while. You might remember me from roles like Coffee Shop Guy, Who Ordered the Earl Grey Tea Hot? And that's actually a reoccurring role, so yeah, I'm pretty proud of that. I am a Barbie Ken Fashionista number 115 on a BMR 1959 body. Originally, I was only going to have 5 core models, and then that number got pushed to 10, then 11, and then I decided to add 4 guys, so we're at 15 now.
Fiona and Phoebe.
We're twins.
We are Barbie Extra Doll number 8 on Made to Move yoga bodies. I was hired first, and I've done a couple of the dollar store craft videos. Then I came on and did the Princess Switch 3 videos. I didn't even audition. I was just walking by Star Frogs one day, and they were like, "You're hired." What was that? I was the last one picked. I only got in because someone else was fired?
Oh yeah, Luciana. We all thought she was one of Toya's favorites, but then she had one bad face app photo shoot. Something about it was just a little off, but then she was gone the next day. Hi, my name is Priyanka. I am one of the 2021 Barbie Signature Holiday Dolls on the Made to Move soccer player body. You might remember me from the Gingerbread House Out of Paper video. You didn't watch it? Why not? I was super cute on that thumbnail! Hi, my name is Jules. I am Ken Fashionista number 183 on the Barbie Looks number 4 body. What's it like working with Toya? Can she hear me? Great! She's a joy to work with. I'm a great boss. Ask anyone around here. I think I'm gonna get replaced. If I was my boss, I would be like, whoa, world's greatest boss. Look at the cup. It says it all. I am Fabsome. Fabulous and awesome. Fabsome. Okay, so in the past, the turnover rate has been kinda high. Being the inspired doll for Dolores changed my life. I know exactly what you mean. I got the part of Isabella, which I didn't think would ever happen because I am a little pixelated. Oh, it's okay, cuz. Yeah, we're cousins. I have been trying to get on the shelf for a while, probably longer than anybody here. My name is Elle. I am a Sew and Style Trishelle doll on a Made to Move soccer player body. And my name is Issa. I am a Made to Move yoga doll. And we are out of uniform because we are currently working on a job. Nobody knows Toya like I do, and her number 1 phrase is, everybody's replaceable. Back in the day, it was the time machine, but y'all don't know nothing about that. I'm talking 2011. Main characters were changing every other week. Okay, yes, there was a time machine, but y'all don't have to worry about that now. I am sticking to this lineup. Everyone signed contracts. What was that? My package has arrived? Hold on, everybody. I will be right back. Okay, where was I? Relax. No one's in danger of being replaced.
Hi, my name is Milo. I am Kin Fashionista number 184 on the Barbie Looks number 5 body. I'm kinda new around here, still trying to figure out how everything works. And I am also auditioning for a spot as one of the Encanto inspired dolls.
I don't understand. Am I getting replaced or not? Nobody's getting replaced. Calm down.
So that's my crew. On the shelf. I hope this video helps some of you to identify the core dolls used in our videos this year. Like when we are trying out new fashion packs and creating doll rooms. Thank you for joining us while we introduced our crew. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. And follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye! Hold up, camera guy, is that you?
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, 'cause you look different. Oh man, I am gonna get replaced.